The very first time. We live streaming there, live streaming there. Make sure we good. Let's go to. Let's go look around. What a loser. All right. Make sure we good though in a minute. We should be straight. Let me make sure before we get all the way in this thing. Yeah, it's looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. It's my first time, y'all, so please pardon me. Let's just play something right now while we chilling. My man. Let's do it. Investments. But my man. Investment. My man. DeMarco. Why they playing with my man? Alright. Let's make sure we good. Can y'all hear me? Make sure y'all can hear me properly. My bad, let me check myself. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, it's looking good, looking good. All right. See? Cause I wasn't gonna look out. Let's see. Let's go. My man DeMarco at. DeMarco. Seem a little dry today, my bad, y'all. Today been kind of busy. My bad, we're just gonna play whatever so now. Shout out to West Side Gun, his album just dropped. But so we're just gonna play some of his new album, man. So let's do one of the ones. Alright. Get to it, man. Make sure y'all get a chance. Y'all slide into my page. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you make sure you don't miss nothing. We about to get into the mess. I promise y'all. Today was a dope ass day, man. Wait for y'all pull up. When we got 10, we going in, y'all know. No green screen today. Yo. Let's get to it, man. Because like I said, today I'm not going to hold y'all all day. Man, let's get to what happened this past week. You know what I'm saying? We had a bunch of legendary guests on our Legendary People podcast. We have great guests coming up next. So if y'all are inclined, please, people who support me, please make sure y'all go to T-Shirt Kings. And y'all check out our interviews, man. Like, man, it's turning up right now. So make sure you go there and you subscribe to the channel, man. Without further ado, this is Sell Stocks Not Dope. Every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. I was on time today. I was on time. So do not play with me. I'm about to show y'all some easy ways you're going to be able to make money off of stocks. And I do this all the time. And I literally do one-on-one sessions where I get paid by the hour to show people exactly how to change and alter their portfolios based off the climate of stocks today. Stocks has been up and down like crazy. You know what I mean? So it's a good time to buy stocks because stocks are down, but it's also a good time for you to safeguard your money that you have. So if you got big money, you trying to protect it, I would tell you it'll be in your best interest. See, you gotta be to get into a dividend stock, right? How do you find dividend stocks? Go to dividend.com. Right? We're on dividend.com, right? One of the best stocks that I use to gauge whether a stock is good or not, it would be against Apple, man. Like, Apple is a stellar stock. It's one that, you know, it's been proven. You know what I mean? It's one that you can set your watch to. Please make sure y'all sharing this too, because somebody gonna run into this information. It's also gonna be for people who want to get their PPP loans forgiven, so you could be eligible for the next draw, right? So for all of us who did it legally, you know what I mean? By all means, take it on yourself, no problem at all. If you having issues and you scared, holla at your boy, I got you. I'm going to make sure you are legal and keep you safeguarded, you know what I'm saying, within reason, right? Also, while we in this thing, we want to give a shout out to the sponsors. This right here is worth it. So if you want to get your clothes on my show or any other show that we produce here, please make sure y'all hit me up in the DMs. We're going to work something out, baby. So let's talk about dividends. Dividends is basically a stock that will pay you for holding it. What does that mean? That is like saying your auntie says, I'm starting a bake store, right? They got a bake store. And they say, invest in my bake store. And you say, okay, how much? You'll put in $100. She say, okay, that will give you a certain amount of money multiplied by how many is sold that year or that quarter, right? That is exactly how you make money off dividend stocks. You basically are investing in a stock and you're going to get a kickback from you investing in it, right? Your auntie going to look out for you, right? Auntie Dividend. Shout out to Auntie Dividend. So in the comment section, type in Auntie Dividend, right? So let's look at the history of dividend, right? So for this auntie, Apple auntie, you're getting, this is the price of the stock, $146.92. But for every share you have, they're going to pay you 88 cents on that. What is that? That's 88 cents on the dollar practically, right? You do the calculations there, it'll come up to this number right here, and that's your yield. Do not worry about that, right? But let me tell you why it's important to look at the price of the stock when you are going to buy dividend stocks. So if you think about doing a dividend hustling, think about the price of the dividend as well. I did this at a consultation I just had this past week where someone was like, oh yeah, I want to get all of the top tier ones, right? Yeah, but understand, this price point right here is kind of high. But this is a stock that has been doing well for a very long time. Big ass currency. So let me show you a couple of cheap ones, right? A couple of ones that I have personally who've been doing very well. Let's look up this one here. So you can go here to easily go to search. Type in a search. Type in one of my dividend stocks. And let's see what the dividend looks like. Right? Everybody familiar with Bank Corp? If you're not, this is also banking for one of those free to play checking accounts. I don't know if this is Chime or one of those. It may be one of those, whatever. But anyway, so as you can see, you're getting 68 cents on the dollar, right? But the price for it, see that price? Way cheaper than paying $100 and X amount of dollars for a stock when you're going to get close to that same dividend money back. You know what I mean? Like, look at the yield percentage based off of how high, well, how low the price point is for that. And they're paying very, very well for a cheaper price. So this is something I want you to think about whenever you want to get to the dividend hustling, which is so easy to do because they're literally paying you to hold the stock. The other stocks that you may buy is going to be basically the stock goes up or down. You make money based off of that. A dividend stock is a safeguard. It's basically accelerated savings account. If you want to compare it to anything, it's like an accelerated savings account. And the reason why I say that is because simply this, right? If, let's say for instance, you had money in a NY Community Bank Corp savings account, right? You're going to get the normal rate that they're going to get based off of what you've already put in there, right? So most, make sure that your Uncle Dash Research is not lying to you. We're going to hit up Google, right? Okay. Average savings account interest, right? We go to Quicken Loans, right? Well, maybe not there. We can go anywhere else. So here we go. It's a whole bunch of jargon. I'm looking for a percentage, right? So you were going to get 4% on your money, right, at a fixed rate, right? And that's still high compared to some I see. Like some are 0.0 numbers, right? So you are literally beating your bank account by literally investing in the bank. And this is 3 times. This is 4 times a year. That's why I call quarterly, right? So you're getting this 4 times a year, and you're also gonna make money off this going up or down, right? So this may go to 13, 14, 15, $16. That's also being compound interest. Do not get scared by these words. Literally, you're gonna make money if it goes up, continues to goes up, and you're gonna multiply it by this number here. This is why I love dividends the most during a uncertainty moment of the market. I like it during the times where things are doing good. I think we talked about this before when I did the top 10 dividend stocks. And basically, I'm gonna run down that list again today because the audience is growing. Maybe none of y'all going back in the almanac to see what I already said, but it's all good, right? So let's run down some of the dividend stocks that I have, cheap ones. Because like I said, we can go back to Apple, or we can look at the cheap ones. Let's look at another cheap one. Let's go to. And listen, you can do all this yourself. You know what I mean? I'm a person that gonna teach you how to fish. I'm not gonna sit here and sell you fish. There's a difference. So let's look at another cheap one. Lumen, which is another good one, right? Another dividend stock. All right. So listen, you're gonna get $1. All right, $1. So if you bought one share of this for $12, right? You're gonna get $1 for every share you have. So you can get $1 for this and third. So in 12 cycles, you will literally get your own money back. You understand why I love dividend stocks now? Because dividend stock literally gonna pay you what you weigh, right? You can buy 100 of these, and the dividend is gonna pay you $1 per every share you have. This is why I love dividend stocks. You can make money if this stock goes up, down, left, right, or center. See why stocks ain't as hard as people try to make them to be? You got to go read this chart and know this is an entry point. No, that's an exit point. You don't need to know none of that. Look at the X and O's. I'm going to get $1 for every share I own of this stock. Right? Now, let's go back to Apple for reference. This is $12. 13 measly dollars that you spending on everything else. But let's go ahead and go back to look at what Apple is, right? Because some of us, half of us, have Apple phones, right? But let's go back to Apple and let's look it up again. So, don't play with me. Don't play with me, okay? So you were paying $146 per share to get 88 cents on there, where you can go buy one of these stocks that's way cheaper. Now, mind you, the stock doesn't move as fast as Apple does. I mean, Apple has been gradually growing. Let's look up at another one. If you guys are sitting at home and smarter than me, you guys should be writing these down. WETF. Another good one, right? The current price of this stock is $6, but you get 12 cents per share, right? So it's not up there like crazy, right? But for $6, you could be at least making money on your money, right? No matter if it goes down or up. And I promise you, this stock is going to be a lot stronger than these stocks you buying, because a lot of people are staying in these stocks because they're at least getting their 12 cents every single quarter, multiplied by how many they got. And this goes up higher, then you'll make way more money off of it. If you guys would like a list of those, I have a video on my page already. If not, I'll redo another video for y'all. Let me go check my Facebook, see if I got any messages. In fact, I'm going to do it live from here. 1 second. I need y'all to share it. What's good? Yes. Yes, the audience needs to keep growing. You make money earning easy, for sure. Yes, sir. All right, so bet. So now let's get into some ways you can make money on crypto. Look, we here to talk about making money on the easy side. So let's go to one of my favorite one is coinmarketcap.com. Let's do it. Right. So one that I'm going to be teaching soon is ADA, which is going to be Cardano. Cardano right now is a whopping price of $2.19. Look, it just changed, y'all. It just changed. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. It just went down. Buy it. No, just kidding. But anyway, so Cardano now has on Coinbase to where you can actually stake this. Stake this is the same exact principle I'm telling y'all right now, where you literally going to make money based off the percentage of shares you own of Cardano. So let's go look that up to make sure your Uncle Dad's resource ain't lying to you. right? I would never lie to you because Google is free. If Google wasn't free and somebody had to pay for it, boy, I would be lying to y'all. I'd be like, boy, Dash Resource made $1 million. I'm just playing. So anyway, so let's go look up. Shout out my man Snyder, man. That ain't his real name, but we know it's popping. Let's go to Coinbase, ADA, staking. Right? Let's go. So earn staking rewards. Make sure I ain't capping, right? So I'm already involved in this Ethereum. Now with Ethereum 2.0, you're going to buy Ethereum 2.0, right? They haven't released when they're going to give you your money back, and I don't like that. Listen, I'm anti-trusting of a lot of things in life, all right? You say you give me my money back, but I did take a small portion and put money into there. It was money I made off of something. It was nothing that's going to hurt my feelings, right, if I totally lose it. But Ethereum 2.0 is going to pay you in Ethereum 1.0, right? They're literally using the money that you put into Ethereum 2.0 to test the system and the safety of it. And then they're going to convert your money into Ethereum 1.0. So that's why I do like it. But let's go to what I was talking about. Where is the Cardano? Look, boy, they're going to make me a liar. Don't make me no liar today. Don't make me no liar today. Let's say stake at 88. Can you stake? Here we go. Can you stake Cardano Coinbase? Or Binance? Several cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, support Cardano staking. However, Coinbase is not. Oh, y'all caught me lying. No, I literally was staking it on there. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna have to go check. So let me go. I'm gonna do my due diligence on that. Okay, see, this is why it's important for y'all. Fact check me sometimes, okay? All right, don't make me the person that know everything. You know what I mean? But from my experience, I was already looking at that, how to stake Cardano. All right, so there are ways of staking Cardano. It just ain't on Coinbase. Sorry. So I didn't cap. I just had the wrong place. All right, I didn't coin market cap pro on y'all. Right. So but let's get into the whole thing with loan forgiveness, because I'm pretty sure a bunch of y'all are tapping in right now for that. A lot of y'all got y'all money. Y'all scared. How do you do it? You can literally Google it, right? But at the end of the day, it's like you got to make sure you have certain things lined up, which is your ASCIS or something like that. It's literally where if you have somebody do yours for you, then you probably going to be messed up in your loan forgiveness because you don't know what they put down as your it's like the title of your business, right? So they put in a sector that works so you can get back your 20 bands. Cool. But what you need is that number, because that is very important. If not, you're going to be looking at some, you could, like, for instance, okay, so you could literally be getting your ass locked up. Excuse my language, I ain't trying to cuss. So please make sure, if you guys need any help filling out your information, you slide over to dashresource.com, baby. Dashresource.com. But man, look, you can trust that guy. I know that guy. He's cool, right? Come down here, and you can literally get some help. This is one of my favorite videos ever. So we're going to play the video. All right. With that, it's your boy Dash Resource. We're here every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. We are powered by T-ShirtKing247.com. Shout out to Smed. We just left the event. It was a very dope event. It was the 80s vs. 90 party, man. There's a lot of great vendors out there. I went and spent a bunch of bread supporting local brands, stuff like that. I'm actually wearing one today. So if you want to get your clothing line, your healthcare product, I'll test it out. I'll put it on my face, something like that. I'll put it on my elbow if it start doing reaction. But make sure y'all get with me. Y'all can always hit me up on dashresource.com. Y'all can DM me. Y'all can hit me on phone number. My phone number is different now. It's a 5 instead of a 6. So 937-530-3299. Hit me up anytime, man. I'm not here to bicker. I'm here to make you richer, man. It's lit. All right? So please make sure y'all reshare the broadcast. Love y'all, man.